This is how to add the loyalty page to your Shopify store. From the Loyalty Program installation page, under New Customer Accounts widget, click Customer Accounts Editor. This opens the Checkout and Accounts Editor in a new tab. In the editor, click Apps, find the Froonze Loyalty page in the list, and click Add. Once added, you'll get an option to give customers access to the page, either by creating a new menu or adding it to the existing one. Click Add to Menu. The Account Page menu opens with the Loyalty Page label and link already filled in for you. You can change the label now if you want, and then click Add and Save. The Loyalty Page is now inside the Account Page, and customers can reach it from the Account menu. Now to add the Loyalty Page to your storefront navigation. Back in the installation page, click Navigation Menu Builder. This opens the Menus page in a new tab. Pick the menu you want to add the Loyalty Page to, click Add Menu Item, give it a label, and in the link field, type Loyalty and select the Froonze Loyalty Page from the result. Click Add, then Save. The Loyalty Page is now in your store navigation, accessible from anywhere on your storefront. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.